How to get rich with AI, the complete beginner's guide. You want to unlock the power of AI to build wealth and change your financial future? Imagine this. AI isn't just for tech giants. Anyone can use it to get ahead financially, including you. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how AI can be your gateway to success, even if you're starting with zero experience. Stick around to find out how you can leverage AI to boost your income, start a new career, or even create a business. And hey, if you're serious about mastering AI, check out Transform Academy's AI and machine learning courses linked below to fast-track your journey. Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today's topic is exciting because it's not only about AI, but how you can actually make money with it. We've all heard about AI billionaires and AI-driven businesses, right? But did you know there are thousands of people just like you and me who are using AI to create multiple streams of income? Here's a quick stat: AI-driven startups and AI-powered job roles are growing at an annual rate of over 20%, meaning it's only going to get bigger. Here's what we're covering today. We'll start by breaking down what AI is, how it's transforming industries, where to find AI opportunities, and how you can build your own AI business model. And at the end, I'll share tips for marketing your AI solution to maximize profit. Plus, don't miss the Quanda at the end, where I'll be answering some of the most common questions about making money with AI. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI, and why is it the key to wealth in today's world? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the technology that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. This includes everything from analyzing data, making decisions, and even creating content. Think about Siri, recommendation algorithms on Netflix, and self-driving cars, all powered by AI. AI's potential is truly transformative. Right now, it's driving revenue in industries like finance, where AI algorithms are used to predict stock prices, and in marketing, where AI personalizes customer experiences. And let's not forget healthcare, where AI diagnoses diseases faster and more accurately. This tech isn't just for big corporations, it's for individuals who see the opportunity and want to get ahead. Now that we know what AI is, let's dive into the opportunities it offers. Here are a few hot sectors where AI is making a big impact: finance, marketing, and healthcare. For instance, fintech companies use AI to detect fraud, saving millions of dollars every year. Healthcare uses AI to diagnose patients more accurately, saving time and lives. And in marketing, companies leverage AI for targeted ads and customer insights, creating more personalized and effective campaigns. So how do you find these opportunities? A big tip here is to stay curious and follow industry news. For example, if you notice that AI is being increasingly used for content generation, this could be a chance to start a business offering AI-powered writing tools. And don't overlook job boards. They can reveal the latest AI skills and trends in demand right now. All right, let's talk skills. If you want to make money with AI, you need some foundational knowledge. Don't worry, you don't need a PhD. Key skills to focus on include programming basics. Python is a great starting language. Data analysis and machine learning principles. There are plenty of free and affordable resources. You can start with beginner courses on platforms like Transform Academy, which offers comprehensive courses on SQL, Python, AI, and machine learning, etc. If you're looking for something comprehensive, check out Transform Academy course links in the description section below. They'll take you from zero to hero with structured lessons and real-world projects. Make sure to check the link in the description if you're ready to take that first step. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of starting an AI business. Pros include high demand for AI solutions, potential for significant financial rewards, and the ability to innovate in various industries. However, cons include high initial investment, the need for continuous learning, and intense competition. To successfully launch your own AI business, start by identifying a niche market, building a strong team, and developing a solid business plan. Networking and seeking mentorship can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. With dedication and the right strategy, you can turn your AI skills into a thriving business. Creating an AI-based business model. Now here's where it gets exciting: building your own AI-driven business model. First, decide on a niche. Are you interested in healthcare, finance, or maybe marketing? Then think about what pain points or needs AI could solve in that niche. Next, validate your idea. One way to do this is by surveying potential customers to see if they would actually pay for your product. After that, outline your business model. You could sell AI solutions as a service, license your AI-powered software, or even create a product people can download or subscribe to. The possibilities are endless, and AI gives you the ability to automate tasks, making your business scalable from day one. Marketing your AI solutions. All right, you've got your AI solution. Now, how do you get it out there? Marketing in the AI space can be unique, but the basics still apply. Social media platforms are a must. Think LinkedIn for networking with industry pros and potential clients, and Twitter for sharing insights and building credibility. Also, consider offering a free trial or demo to showcase your product's value. The more people understand what AI can do for them, the more likely they are to invest. Building a personal brand can also help you stand out, especially in a competitive field like AI. Conclusion and call to action. Let's recap. We covered what AI is, the sectors where it's creating opportunities, the skills you need to get started, how to build an AI business model, and ways to market your AI solutions. AI has opened doors that were unimaginable a decade ago, and there's never been a better time to get involved. So, are you ready to take the leap? Don't wait. Start learning and experimenting with AI today. And if you're serious about making a career or business in AI, I highly recommend joining Transform Academy's AI and machine learning courses. They offer everything you need to go from beginner to expert. The link is in the description, so check it out and start building your future. Questions and answers. Before we go, let's answer some common questions. One I get a lot is, can I get into AI without a tech background? The answer is yes. Many roles in AI require an understanding of data and trends, not coding. And that's why learning resources are so critical. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments and let's keep the conversation going. Let me know how you plan to use AI to make a difference in your financial future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. And remember, Transform Academy is ready to help you turn your AI dreams into reality. Visit our website by using the link in the description for more. Also, explore our vast video library for more insight on how AI can transform your life as you make money online from the comfort of your home.